rewarding.
And now read the point number 1.
Many lectures are well paid.
So now tell me, is it the same or is it different? Is it contradicting or
I think it is not same as in the prompt that they are saying the lecturers are getting rewards and there are many kinds of rewarding. And in the point one they just said the lectures are well paid. So by paying they get the money for doing the lectures.
wonderful? So the strategy to do this is convert this statement into a question. Now convert this into a question.
Are lecturers getting well paid?
Yeah, are many lecturers well paid? So now read the prompt. Is it answering the question? Is it contradicting or is it saying something else?
Many lecturers find their jobs are rewarding. I think it's not contradicting each other. It's not the same as they are saying that they are getting reward for something, and in the questions they are setting that they are getting paid.
Very good. So it is not a given. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Read the point number 2.
For lecturers getting something positive for their work.
Please keep your pen while you are reading so that you read it properly.
Or lecturers getting something positive for their
So it's
work.
not getting, it's get.
Yeah.
Read it carefully.
Or lecturers get something positive for their work.
Yeah. Now,
Uh,
if we convert this again into a question, do all lecturers